DJI is no stranger to leading the pack in drone innovation, and the Mavic 4 Pro could be their boldest step yet. Enthusiasts and professionals alike are buzzing with anticipation, fueled by a flurry of leaks and rumors that hint at a drone that's not only more powerful, but also smarter and more user-friendly than ever before. Let's explore the most exciting updates, expected features, and what makes this drone a potential game-changer. Revolutionary design, form meets function. The Mavic 4 Pro appears to boast a completely reimagined design. Early leaks showcase a larger, more bulbous camera housing, a clear indication that DJI is prioritizing powerful optics and enhanced performance. This is no mere cosmetic upgrade. It suggests substantial internal improvements to cater to photographers, filmmakers, and drone enthusiasts aiming for cinematic quality visuals. With DJI's signature Hasselblad camera system rumored to take center stage, expect nothing less than sharper, more vibrant imagery. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or intricate architectural details, the Mavic 4 Pro promises to elevate your content with unparalleled precision. Enhanced camera system, triple lens setup, and 8K video. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is reportedly equipped with a triple lens camera system, offering 3 focal lengths. 24mm wide-angle for expansive landscape shots. 70mm medium telephoto for versatile mid-range photography. 166mm telephoto for incredible close-ups. This setup allows creators to seamlessly transition between perspectives, making it easier than ever to adapt to different shooting scenarios. Coupled with improved optics and AI-powered stabilization, this system ensures superior image quality, even in challenging conditions. One of the most talked-about upgrades is the rumored ability to record in 8K resolution. This leap in video quality is perfect for filmmakers and content creators who need ultra-detailed footage for professional projects. Whether you're documenting travel adventures, creating promotional content, or exploring the art of aerial cinematography, the Mavic 4 Pro has you covered. Low-light performance, a new standard. Low-light performance is another standout feature, thanks to a larger image sensor that excels in capturing crisp, noise-free visuals in dim conditions. This is a game-changer for professionals shooting during dawn, dusk, or in shadowy environments. With improved dynamic range and color accuracy, the Mavic 4 Pro ensures that every shot is vivid and true to life, regardless of the lighting. Gimbal upgrades, smoothness redefined. Stability is key for any drone, and DJI has reportedly gone above and beyond with the Mavic 4 Pro. The upgraded gimbal system offers enhanced motion range, allowing for smoother transitions and more dynamic shots. Whether you're tracking fast-moving subjects or capturing serene landscapes, this stabilization ensures flawless footage, even in windy conditions. Smart controller, intuitive and accessible. Flying a drone should feel intuitive, and DJI's rumored updates to its smart controller lineup aim to deliver exactly that. The new controller is expected to offer an improved user interface, making it more accessible for beginners while still providing advanced features for seasoned pilots. Features like real-time transmission, intelligent flight modes, and customizable controls could make piloting the Mavic 4 Pro a seamless experience. What's missing? The LDAR debate. Interestingly, one feature that appears to be missing is LDAR, light detection and ranging, technology, which many hoped would improve obstacle detection and depth perception in low-light conditions. While the omission of LDAR has sparked debate, it's worth noting that DJI may be reserving this feature for higher-end models or future releases. For now, the Mavic 4 Pro relies on enhanced sensors and AI algorithms to navigate its surroundings. Who is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro for? With its cutting-edge features, the Mavic 4 Pro targets professionals and advanced hobbyists. Whether you're a filmmaker looking for Hollywood-quality shots, a photographer aiming to capture stunning aerial images, or a tech enthusiast excited about the latest innovations, this drone offers the tools you need to push creative boundaries. By comparison, DJI's Air 3S caters more to hobbyists and semi-professionals, with features that are impressive but not quite as advanced as the Mavic 4 Pro. However, the Air 3S may hold an edge in obstacle detection due to its rumored LDAR capabilities. Future-proof features, staying ahead of the game. The Mavic 4 Pro is designed with the future in mind. From its rumored AI-driven shooting modes to advanced post-processing capabilities, DJI continues to push the envelope. Smart features like subject tracking, automated editing, and voice-activated commands could make this drone not just a tool, but an indispensable creative partner. Final thoughts: a drone that defines innovation. As we await the official unveiling of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, one thing is clear. This drone has the potential to set a new standard for aerial technology. With its groundbreaking features, professional-grade performance, and intuitive design, it's shaping up to be a must-have for anyone serious about drone photography and videography. If you're considering investing in the Mavic 4 Pro, now is the perfect time to prepare. Familiarize yourself with popular keywords like DJI Mavic 4 Pro specs, 8K video drones, and advanced aerial AI technology to ensure your content reaches the right audience. As more leaks and updates emerge,